guys, so mag-unboxing tayo ng snow spray. Okay, so try natin na i-apply dyan sa aming Christmas tree. So ito ay in-order namin sa Amazon, pero usually may mga nabibili naman sa ibang stores like Walmart, not Walmart, sa Ace Hardware. Yan. Pero since walang available nung pumunta kami, so kaya ito, umorder na kami online. Ano na natin yung ating background music. Yan. So it takes like 3 to 5 days to deliver. And then it usually costs, depende sa brand, it usually costs this around like 7 or 8 something. So this one, there's 2 bottles. Yan, snow spray. It's usually cost like this 2 cost 15 something, and then plus tax and shipping, so something like $20. Okay, so let's see if this one will make my Christmas tree really snowy, white, and beautiful. There you go. So let's see. Oh yeah, meron nga. Dilapit natin ang ating camera. Yeah, nag-snow nga. Sana hindi matanggal. And it will take like years before it will be taken out. Okay, so let's see. Yan ang star. So, spray natin. Ayan. Ayan, malambot pa. But, I hope it will be good. Sana tama yung aking ginagawa. Ayan. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Pati yung star nalagyan ng snow. Sige. Bear with me. And tingnan natin. Lagay kasi na namin ito eh. Kasi yung isa-isa pang parang lalagyan bago ilagay yung Christmas tree. It will take time, di ba? Kaya, na namin i-assemble yung Christmas tree. And then, lagyan ng snow spray. Sana tumigas siya. Kasi lalagyan ko pa siya ng accessories like Christmas light and some decorations. Oh my gosh. Nalagyan yung ating wall. Oh my gosh. But it's, ayan, madali naman tanggalin. Yan, madali naman siyang tanggalin. So hopefully hindi siya makakasira dun sa paint ng wall. Okay? So let's try. Dali, tanggalin muna natin ito kasi baka pag tumigas di ko na siya matanggal. Right? So, let's move this Christmas tree down here. And then, a little backwards. Okay. Yan, dahil matangkad ako, kailangan ko umakyat. Yan. Like parang snow. Yan. Pati damit ko may snow na. Oh my gosh. Yan, pataas kasi pa. Kunyari galing sa taas, diba yung snow? Oh my gosh. Pati yung floor, ang dami ng snow. Yan, later I'll clean up it. Okay? So, don't you worry. Yan. Kasi madali lang naman siyang matanggal. Yan. Kahit malagyan ng yan, spray, snow spray, yung wall at saka yung floor, it's okay kasi madali naman siyang matanggal. Yan. Yan. Kaya masyado ng marami dito sa likod. Punta naman ako sa harap. Yan. Yan. Diba? Hirap lang mag-spray dun sa akangalay dun. Yan. Parang kasya na tong isang bottle eh. Pero maybe pag gusto mo na mas marami snow sa Christmas tree mo, you have to put like two bottles. Like this one is like 13 ounces. Yan. Okay. So, dito naman siya sa harap. Yan. Sprayan natin yung harap. Yan, malapit na. Malapit nang matapos. Yan na natin. Baba konti. Yan. Ay. Yan. Yan. Nakita niyo na ba ang kaibahan, mga kada? Yan, mga... Yeah. Yan, nakikita niyo na po ba yung mga snow? Yan, I'm happy with it. Kasi, yan, gusto ko talaga snow. I like snow. Tapos, sabi ko this year, gusto ko naman na white yung Christmas tree. But instead like painting, we just wanted to put a little snow on it to make a difference. Like something new, something nicer than before. Yan. I just don't know kung ito ay titigas, mag-stay forever, or matatanggal din. Kasi malambot din siya. Hindi ko pa na-check kung mag-titigas siya afterwards. So, we'll see. Titignan natin. medyo nakakapagod lang guys kasi, ayan, pindutin mo to, spray mo ganun. Kasi ay nakakapagod lang sa kamay. So, hi guys! Ito na yung output ng Christmas tree na nisprayan ko ng isang bottle ng snow spray. Now, ito na yung pangalawa. So, let's see. Kasi sabi ko pag sa, parang kulang pa. Sa akin, parang kulang pa yung snow niya. So, let's put some more. Yan. Gusto kasi na parang may talagang snow. So, kaya, pero dinadamihan ko dun sa dulo niya. Kasi pag nag-snow dito, usually parang mas marami dun sa dulo ng mga leaves. Kaya gusto ko parang ganun. Parang natural pero kunyari lang, di ba? Ayan, kasi ganyan, mga guys, kapag oh my gosh, yan, nagaganyan siya. So, para siyang bula ng sabon. Ayan. So, pag inilagay mo sa dulo, para na siyang, ayan, snow. So, it's nice, diba? Ganyan. So, I hope that it will last. Sana magtagal siya hanggang like, today's November, so December, the whole of December, sana magtagal siya hanggang like January. Tapos, I'll take this down like, I don't know kung I'll take this down by end of December or January. Ayan, depende. Okay, pero we would wanna feel the spirit of Christmas in spite of this pandemic. Kaya, let's put some Christmas tree and some decorations to like feel the Christmas spirit. Okay, so yeah, this is a tradition, not only tradition but also like remembering the birth of Jesus, and that makes us like feeling happy that we have the hope, and that is the Lord Jesus. Okay, so let's continue on. Okay, hold on, I forgot my mask. So, hi guys, ito na yung Christmas tree. Yan, diba? Christmas tree na frosted or flocked already. Yung nilagyan ko ng snow spray. Okay? So, lalagyan na natin siya ng mga decorations. Okay? So, habang ginagawa natin yan, nanood muna tayo ng Weng RB channel. Yan. So, sana mag-subscribe kayo sa Weng RB channel. It's all about math, English, travels, and others. Okay? So, dahil nasa work si Ha, dahil nasa work si Javi, ako lang maggagawa. Yan, lalagyan natin to. Saka to. Yan, sa mga angels. Tsaka to. Kaya, lalagay ko na lang to sa windows. And then, Christmas lights. Okay? So, samahan niyo ako. So, maybe we have to put this first. Yung Christmas light bago yung mga bilog-bilog. Yan, para maganda. I like also this white. So, hi guys, ayan, nilagay ko na yung Christmas light.
Color ng Christmas.
Tapos, lalagay naman natin itong mga Christmas balls. Okay? So, actually, itong mga decorations ko ay from last year. It's all recycled. So, wala na akong masyadong ginastos except the snow spray. Okay? So, para lang may konting difference naman siya from last year. So, titignan natin kung ano mas maganda yung Christmas tree ko ba last year or this year. Okay, so let's put on these things. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Ayaw sumabit. Okay. Tanggal na yung mga tali. Ayan, I have to fix them. Fix them again. Tapos, dapat medyo pantay-pantay natin yung paglalagay. Pero, syempre, mas marami dito sa harap. Ayan. Tapos, lalagyan din natin sa likod. Okay? So, tignan natin mamaya. Okay? Yung outcome.
Few moments later.
Hi guys! So finally, ito na yung ating frosted or fluffed Christmas tree. So kanina nilagyan natin siya ng snow spray and then Christmas balls, Christmas lights, and other decorations. So hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Weng RB channel. And have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year soon!